This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, thank you for joining. Let's discuss about few more Unix commands. So we have discussed so many commands. Okay, I hope you are clear about these commands. Okay, and now we have Unix session 3. So first command we have grep command. Okay, to search the pattern. Okay, to search the pattern. So there is very important interview question, because in the Unix part grep command is mandatory. Grep command search for a pattern in a file and print it. You want to find out particular pattern or particular string, pattern or string in a file that we are going to use grep command. So for example, where we are now, present working directory, let's say ls command, let's print state. Okay, state.txt. So now we need to print like grep. When I want to print pattern AP, if it is available in the file and the file name is state.txt. See now the pattern which is matching, that we are going to get those lines. So pattern search and print it using grep command. How to find out the particular string in Unix? Okay, how to find out the particular string in Unix? Which command we use? Grep command. In SQL, which command we use, or which function we use? Tell me. If I want to do same thing, I want to get it, which function or which operator we use? If you are not able to explain, I think you are not at all preparing well. I'm telling you directly, you are not at all preparing well. If you are not able to explain this answer, if I want to search particular string or a pattern in Unix, we use grep command. At the same time, how which operator we are going to use in SQL to find out the particular string? Everybody who joined today, tell me in the chat box. All of you. So I have not received from anyone. So people said that which command is used, which operator is used to find out the particular string in SQL. In Unix grep command, in SQL I am asking. I am telling you that you are not preparing well. There is no use if I am giving you huge content also. Very simple question. I'll give you 1 minute time. Go ahead. Everybody. Like operator or not? Like operator or not? Yes or no? In the chat box you tell like operator or not? Is there a very big problem to say yes or no also? Then what you are learning here? Huh? Second class or third class? Maybe it's like operator, right? Then I don't have any hope that you prepared well or not. Those who can submit from tomorrow onwards, all the tasks from tomorrow onwards, those people can join. Otherwise, people will ignore. Your testing concepts almost completed. I have added so many development concepts. That's why it's getting huge content. Got my point? But still, you are not at all preparing means what? Waste of discussion with you. So let's see. That is your wish whether you study or not. How many times I told you to prepare well and all? Okay, fine, no problem. It's okay. Maybe at least you can try. It's your career. It's not my career. Okay, fine. So grep command is used to search the pattern in Unix to find out particular string. Now, sometimes what will happen, under grep command only, grep then hyphen I. So this is called case sensitive actually. This is called case sensitive. Let me try. So here grep then, and you can see ap then state.txt. Now what will happen? It is going to avoid the case sensitive pattern. If we are using without I, guys, this command is very powerful. Okay, now it is not going to display, but if you are giving here hyphen I, it ignore the case sensitive. Now if it is wherever it is matches with small letters or uppercase capital letters, it is going to display. That is grep hyphen I. Somebody will ask what is grep I? Okay, that is going to relate with the case sensitive, so it is going to skip the case sensitive pattern. Now grep hyphen C. So what will happen here? Let's go. Now grep hyphen C then ap state.txt. Now only one. For example, cat state.txt. So we have up two times, right? Now let's go. Now when I say up, it's given 2 actually. Okay, so it is going to give the count of number of matches. Number of matches it is going to display using grep hyphen C. Got my point, everybody? So now whenever I'm giving you here grep, there are so many, but just whenever I'm talking here, then you can say ap dot star. So what will happen, wherever ap is there, that all files or directories it will display. Sort state.txt is available, test1 is also available, unique available, or unique state available. So what will happen, wherever this string is matching, display the related files. Wherever this content is available, that files all will display. Okay, that is very important. Got my point? Now you can go ahead like multiple way of concept, and we don't much if you are required, now later you can see under grep and all. Okay. So now coming to next, same thing here, grep, one more command, grep -n, then ap, then state.txt. So it is going to give the line number actually. Okay. For example, here, this is also very good, very important, regularly we use. Now, how many it is displayed? Those many. For example, UP you can take it here. Now let's see where that line number is displaying. Third line and sixth line UP is available. That is show the line number where while displaying the output using grep-n. Got my point, guys? So it's your wish how you can able to do. Now, as one more important thing is grep hyphen, then, or you can say go with this cap symbol, cap, then ap, okay, state.txt. So it is displaying where it is starting with Unix file name. Okay, match lines with starting with a string if it is available. Okay, let's say Unix if it is available. Okay, there are so many things will be there, but you don't worry about it, these things. Okay, so this is just they will ask which command is used to find out the particular string. If it is case sensitive, how you can find it, how many number of lines, or how you can display the lines. That's more enough with the grep command. Okay, so now we have head command is there. This is also very important interview question in Unix pattern. Okay, so head command is going to display the top records, or command display the lines. Okay, top and bottom lines you can display. Now when you are saying head command, so head command always display top records whatever it is available. So here head -4 state.txt, the first four records it is going to display. So how to display first two records, first four records, one second, first four records, first two records and all, using head command. Okay, to display top rows, whatever it is, depends on how you can do that. We can call it as -n. Okay, so if you give -n also, you can say -n means n number of, you can pass 1 2 3 or whatever. That is head command, head 3, then you can say state.txt, sorry, txt file name. Okay, now same thing we are going to display tile command also there. Okay, so here tile command display bottom of lines, tile -n. You can see, sorry, tile -n, then you can say to display bottom rows. So you can, if you want how many you can display. For example, cat state.txt, then you can say tile, then -3 state.txt. So you can see here last 3 records you are going to display. Same thing if you go with the head command. So like how it will work with the head and you can say tile command. So directly they will ask which command we use to display first 5 rows and last 5 rows and all. Okay. So very important. Regularly we use like first row, second rows and all. But when you are working with these commands, you need to know proper execution. That's it. Okay. So now then you can see mkdir making directory. So we have already done this, but let me try with this mkdir. So what is mkdir? Mkdir is going to make the directories. Okay. Now let's see mkdir. Then you can say India. Or if you see h1, h2. Now you can go and display, let's say ls command. So here you can see with the blue color h1 subdirectory, h2 subdirectory, India directory. That is a file with the India will be creating using cat command. But if you want to create multiple here, we will be using mkdir making directory. So how we are going to create a folder? For example, you can see now we have created some folders, right? You can visible here Windows operating system also. So where is this? Now see here h1, h2 and India. These 3 directories we created. So making directories here. How we are going to create making directories here? Now we have one more command, that is rmdir remove directory. Okay. So mkdir is to create new directories whatever. Now rmdir to delete a directory. So which command we are going to use? rmdir remove directory. But which command is going to use to remove the file? Tell me guys. Which command is going to remove the file? Tell me which command. I have explained already. Which command? rm command, right? Remove directory. So yes, rm command. Okay. Remove directory. Rm is only file. So now rm remove directory h1. Got my point? Now when you go on display ls, there is no h1 directory here. It's created. It's already removed. Now one more. For example, ls command is there. I am going to remove test1. rmdir test01 directory. When I execute, what will happen? Fail to remove the test1 directory using rmdir. What will happen? Test1 contains some files. The directory, if it is empty, then only it is possible to remove. Got my point? Clear everybody? If you are using rmdir hyphen v, then test01. So here removing directory is not possible, because that you need to go to particular folder and you remove all the files and directories, then keep empty, then come and remove it. Got my point? Clear everybody? Because the thing is, we are going to keep empty, otherwise it is not going to remove that. There are high level, but just I am telling you. Okay, keep empty that record that directory rmdir. If it is empty only, it is possible. Okay, so then, so what we need to do, let's go here. Remove directory, and then so go ahead here, chmod permission. So then they will ask one more interview question. Chmod, that is to give full permission, to give full permission to a file. Okay, what do you mean by full permission here? Chmod 777 file name, you should give like this. Okay, then that file is eligible to read, write and execute. One, you can see here 1, 2, 4. So here 1 means you can see execute, and 2 means you can see here write. Somebody if they are asking, okay, they won't go much depth actually, but just understand, read. But my point, how to give full permission to a particular file, that is important, using chmod. Chmod, that is 777 file name, 777 1, 2, 4, read, write and execute. Okay, so that is, you don't worry too much about it. Chmod command changes the permissions of the file. If you go depth, you are not Unix administrator, you are just related to Unix. You know the Unix and basic commands and few, not required. All the Unix admin related works not required. Okay, so now let's see. You can give chmod 777 if it is getting anywhere. Okay, just for chmod 777 state.txt. So like this, so automatically it will give the permission. So for example, you are you are not a developer has created this, you want to access some file, they will execute this command chmod 777 state.txt. Then before that you will get permission denied error. Now after giving permission, you are accessible to the file. Okay, so that is how you can understand chmod. Okay, cut command is there, but it not required much actually. So you can see cut -1, then state.txt like this. Where is this? C1, sorry, column, first column like this, character, first character. So like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay, so that is just displaying the character wise. Okay, so whatever you can, for example, if you are starting with hash pin code, hash at the same, you want to separate it, you can use command, cut command and all. So it will print first character, second character, third character like that using cut command. Okay, so now let's see, now what is the next we have, and cd we know, right? Cd command is used to move to the other directories. So I have given cd dot dot, cd negation also I have done. Okay, so you can use cd command to change the directory from one directory to another directory. Okay, cd command, that is. Now we have du command, but we won't use much, but just understand. Du command gives disk usage. Okay, just it is admin related work actually. Just understand. Du means disk usage. Okay, and then disk usage -h. So it is going to give you disk du-h command give the disk usage details in human understandable format. This is KBs we can use it, but when we use it won't understand. So here human understandable format it is. So mostly admins will use this. Okay, disk usage. What is that? Du and du in human understandable format. So how much they have used the space and all, memory and all. Here disk free. Df command gives space availability on the disk. So how much memory is available, space available, and then you can see that is here df-h. This is how we can able to understand. Okay, disk free, disk free in human understandable format. Okay, now ps command, very important thing. PS command gives all the process details that are currently running. For example, today in the project, ABC project, there are 20 people or 43 people are working now. Two people on leave. On and two people not able to log in, right? Because they are on leave, they can't able to open that. Now 43 people, it will show how many people are currently running. That is PS command process. Okay. Now let's see how many people are logged in like this. Okay. So process ID and all. When you go and see one more, I am opening one more git bash, and again one more I am opening here. Okay, two open. Now what will happen? I am giving you, see, now before that only three will be there. Now whenever I am opening, these are environmental, so it is open here, all are. So currently how many process are running, that we use which command? PS command. Okay, now here PS and EF command give all the process details that are currently running along with the username. So username also, right? Only ID is there. Now ID won't understand, right? ID won't understand. That's why how many people are logging, their ID and along with the username. So here PS hyphen EF. Got my point? So we have only one user in my system. One user. If it is a company server, company Unix server, it will show like Arjun, Ramu, Ravi, Raju, their process ID and all. It will give the details when they logged in and all. Okay, that is PS hyphen EF command. PS hyphen EF command. Total process and all. Now there is one more important thing. For example, your process ID 5637 is running from 3 hours. Now you want to kill the process, you want to stop it. So we will be using kill command. Kill command we use to stop the particular job. Alright. Kill command kill the process running with given ID. So you need to give kill command. Okay. -9 means recursively. So kill, then -9, then PID, process ID. Recursively without any confusion, without any damage, it is going to kill the process. For example, so let's go here. I am going to kill this. Okay, process ID 2275. Kill -9 2275. No such process is available. Okay, 11454. Yes, it is available. See that whatever we are typing, right, that process only we stopped actually. Okay, so that is stopped now. Now ps hyphen ef. See now that is logged in. Like we kill the process. Okay. So what is the command? Kill command. We are going to use it. So if you go with the date command, particular time and date you can display and all. Okay. Now there is powerful interview question command grep and sed kill. These three questions are guaranteed in interview questions. Set command stands for stream editor. We can call it as set command is used to modify the data in file automatically. So what will happen, set, then we are going to give string, whatever the string you want to operate. Then wherever, let's go, we'll execute cat city.txt such file. Okay. Let's go on display which file is okay. Sorry. First cd Xpresdata clear and cat command city.txt. So now we have some content is there. Now I'm using set command with the string. Then wherever Goa is there, you want to display Panazi. Okay. Wherever Goa is there, you want to display Panazi from which file? From which file? The file name is city.txt. Now see guys, wherever Goa is there, its Panazi is replaced. Now very important thing is how to replace particular string from the file. How to replace it? Using sed command. Using sed command. Now let's see here. Cat city.txt. Still it is there. What we will do? Now this all and content you can able to update city file .txt, right? ls command. Where is update city file? Yes, this is update city file. Now when you show here cat update city file, I am content opening here. It is available with Panazi. Got my point? Wherever Goa is there, Panazi is replaced. So how to replace particular string? Which command we are going to use? Set command. Okay, only 5-10 questions, 5 max 5 questions in interview. If you are tester, developer means it will take minimum 10 to 15 questions. Okay. So who am I also there, but we never use, just for understanding purpose. Who am I command is there. You can use who am I command. Got my point? Who am I, right? So who am I gives the details of current users who logged in into the Unix system. Then who am I? User. Who is the, if you are Arjun, Arjun will, my system username is user, is the name itself is user. That's why. Okay. So who am I, only it is working. Fine. Now find command is also there. Now find command is going to display like number of what you can say, files and directories, whatever you can see. Okay. So that you can use find command to find particular file name and all. Okay. So fine guys, these are the commands till now. If they want to ask any 5 questions, okay, max 5 to 7 questions in Unix. 5 to 7 questions in Unix, which I have already directly. But if you prepare like this, which you did not explain, like operator, your experience doesn't suitable for software. Before Corona, whatever you learn, because the requirement is there, they have taken. Now interviews are so much depth. If you are focusing not clear, and you cannot get able to select. Think about 2018 before. Okay, before 2018 how software jobs will be there. After 2019, like Corona time, okay, 2019 to 2022 mid, okay, it free of jobs directly. But 2018, our like ours is like 2014 related thing. That time we waited for almost 2 years to get one job. 2018 means probably 1 year above. 2019 and 2012 in between 6 months. That's now 2023 started again. It will take 1 year, 1 year above to get a software. Now it's not like to get 40 days, 50 days jobs. Now because the software culture is up and down. Okay, you have to be, because it's not possible to get 1 lakh or 80,000, 90,000 salary. There are so many people outside who are doing marketing jobs like 20,000, 15,000 HR jobs, 25,000 like that, and they can come, right? If you, if 45 days, 50 days, if jobs are coming for 1 lakh, 2 lakh jobs, everybody will come. Got my point? So if you are expecting like 40 days, 50 days, 2 months, that is absolute. Not only me, you can go and speak with your brothers and sisters, your delivery managers, or whoever related to your software. It is completely unique. Now you have to, you need more content, deliverable, and communication and patience also, because it's your life, right? You can take the decision about it. If you are lucky person with content, if you prepare very well, you are always one step forward with other people. If your content is very clear, see, I have already given to you level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. If you focus on level 1, level 2, now all students are, this is, let's say, basic level. Okay, I am learning ETL testing. Okay, I am learning, I join ETL testing. These people almost 85% or 80%, they prepare only theory. Okay, now level 2, they will learn advanced. Sometimes luck will favor. Okay, advanced concepts and all. These people, almost out of 100 people, 100%, and only 25% people will involve to learn practical. Whatever sir said, they will do, they will learn nowadays. Now level 3, it is related to project, project related thing. Only 10%, 5 to 10% people only they are preparing. project questions. Because of their interested, their financial status, they have a lot of patience, they can study well. And this is a unique now, 100% confirmed. Nobody will explain this. 100% confirmed questions. And those people never target this. Only 5% people can prepare. So based on your understanding, which you did not explain, like operator and all, you are not at all clear level 1 round. That means the success rate is just 2% here. Here success rate is, yes, see, this is not, and I'm not telling with only oral information, which we have proven last 5 years, how many people got job and how they have survived and still they are connecting with me. Those people, based on that margin, I'm telling you, and here 15% the success rate. Now, when you focus on project, 75% success rate is there. When you focus level 3 and level 4 perfectly, 98% your job is confirmed. Maybe 1 month or 2 months delay, but your job is confirmed. So now I'm sharing you this class view, these figures and explanation. You can copy and paste somewhere else and just read it. That is your wish. Okay. So this is how we can able to understand the basic commands. Okay. Actually 3 classes I thought to, but I will take one more class also tomorrow. Now I am going to take tomorrow Unix 4th class, which is cell scripting scenario based questions. Okay. Okay guys. So tomorrow I will explain. Now all questions what they are asking, 5 to 6 questions, is covered in the our Unix 3 classes. You don't worry about it. Later I will explain how you need to work on it, how you need to work on shell scripting, and these things I will give you the details tomorrow. Okay, they will check your real-time experience, right? That tomorrow you will get to know. Okay, how to execute, how to write shell scripting, how to execute shell scripting, how to display content of the shell scripting, how to run multiple commands at one time. So these things I will explain tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you will learn all the commands. How many commands we have discussed tomorrow, you can write in the paper, practice it, and write one task, all the commands, and send to me one paper. So I am asking so many papers and all, you guys are not sending at all, but it's your wish. Okay, so that's all guys. We'll connect tomorrow to discuss about shell scripting tomorrow. Thank you.